This is a 10-speed mixer with a pulse feature, and it's very lightweight. When you first pick it up, you're going to say, I don't know, I don't think this thing's going to do anything. But this really is a powerhouse. You're going to be amazed. And in this first video, I'm just going to show you the features of it, but I am going to do 3 more videos where we're going to use all the attachments. We'll make some bread and do something with the paddle and with the whisk. And it does come with a splatter guard with a feeding tube so that you don't have splashing around with flour going everywhere, or when you're adding in some liquid, how it splashes out. And it does have the dough hook, and it has the beater bar, which is great like for cookies and substantial mixes. And then you do have the whisk attachment. It does have a lift lock, and the motor in it is pure copper, so you get complete mixing on this. And that is a 5.5 quart stainless steel bowl, and that also just fits on there, just like how the KitchenAid ones do, where you just put it on and twist it. Same thing with the beaters. You just stick them on there, turn them, and that's it. And there is an auto power off when lifted, and it has 4 suction feet that really stick. I mean, this thing doesn't go anywhere, and it is very low noise. And it comes in green, red, black, or cream colors, so you've got a great choice there. And this is going to make a great gift for Christmas. So pick one up, give it a try, and tell me what you think about it. And look for those videos that will be coming up here soon. And I want to thank ZZR7 for providing me a sample of this so that I can share it with you.